Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and happy Vlogmas Day 12. So I am super excited to vlog for you guys. I haven't vlogged in like over a week. I am finally all done with finals and all done with the semester, so I have some more time to make videos for you guys and kind of create better content than just vlog some more fun, unique things. So that is what I'm going to do, but I figured I would vlog for you guys today. I have not vlogged, like I said, in so long, and I definitely have missed it. It is currently Friday, and right now I'm just going to clean up my room. It's honestly a complete mess because during finals week, I literally did not even try to clean it because I just knew it was going to get even messier because all that I worry about is studying, eating, and sleeping during that week. I don't even know how I got Vlogmas videos up. So yeah, that is what we're gonna do right now, and then I am going to go to the gym later. Done with our walk. Doesn't Buddy look so cute in his little coat? Now I'm gonna go home and get ready, and I'm gonna go to the gym. The best smelling candle ever, you guys. It was from Target for only $9.99. Hello everybody, it is now the next day. I know that I didn't vlog that much yesterday, so I definitely wanted to vlog a good amount of my day today for you guys. It is the afternoon. I just got done working out. I kind of had like a hamstring focused workout, and then I just walked my dog and I ate lunch. But now I just got a package in from Sephora, and I wanted to share what I got with you guys. It's not too much, but I got another one of those $100 gift cards with my Sephora points. You guys should definitely be on the lookout for that if you have like a ton of points that you need to use, because I had like 7,000 points, and it's nice just to get like a $100 gift card because I usually don't like what they have to offer for the little rewards. So yeah, it's really nice because it's just like a free $100 gift card, and then you can use it on products that you can try and use, or like refills. So yeah, I just got 4 things with the gift card. Sephora is so expensive, so the fact that I only got 4 things for a $100 gift card, it's crazy. But the first thing that I got is the Olaplex number 7 bonding oil. I've heard really good things about this oil, and I also have the number 6 by Olaplex, which is their like bonding cream or bonding conditioner, and I've seen a lot of people on TikTok mix these two together and like put on your ends, and it's really good for like bleached hair and like damaged hair, just like in general for frizzy hair or whatever. So this says that it boosts shine, strengthens, and repairs all hair types. I'm actually about to wash my hair right after this, so I'm really excited to try it on my wet hair. The second thing that I got is just a refill. I got the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. The last time that I got one was during the sale because it came in like a little gift set, and I figured I might as well try that, which was over like a year and a half ago, I would say. And I just got it on a whim because everyone like raves about it, and after I like ran out of most of it, I was like, I'm not gonna buy it again. I'll just use Aquaphor, and I have to say that this works better than Aquaphor for me, at least. I know that my Aquaphor was like expired or expiring, I think, so maybe that's why it didn't work out as well. But I love this stuff. Like, it actually does really work and moisturize your lips, and it just gives your lips like a nice little glossy color to them. That's why I really like getting the raspberry kind, I think I have. And then it comes with this little like applicator, which I didn't even know that it came with this. Maybe I'll actually use it this time. Guess we'll have to wait to find out about that one. The next item that I got, I'm super excited for. I have not tried this before, but I've heard a lot of really good things about it. I've been wanting to get a face tanner. I've tried the Isle of Paradise tanning drops, but I don't know, I just don't really like them. I feel like they're just like too orangey, and they also make me break out or just like give me a lot of blackheads, which like for every once in a while it's whatever, but I would just like to have like a nice like tan or like glow to my face. So I was between these, which is the Drunk Elephant Debronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops, and the Saint Tropez spray, like face mist I think it's called, and I figured to go with this because it's just better for your skin. It's like anti-pollutions, and I saw like Hiram recommend this, and he said that it was like great, that it has like great skincare benefits. So I was like, I'll try this out. It's technically free because I just used my points to get it. So hopefully it works. Like I said, I just got this box in today, so I haven't used it yet. The packaging on it is really, really pretty. I've never tried this before, like I said, but this is kind of a small amount for like $36. I will say that. Hopefully it works really well. I watched a few YouTube videos on it, like I saw, and it looked like it just gave you like a little bit of color, which I don't need to be like crazy tanned. I just want like a little color to my face. So yeah, especially when I do self-tan. And then the last thing that I got is an item that I saw on the McKnight twins, which I have been saying a lot about them lately in my videos. I really like them. They're really like honest about everything, and I like their like Holy Grail and Sephora reviews and like hauls and like the wish list sales. So this is where I got the idea to get this. I thought this was really cool. It's a makeup brush cleaner, and the thing that I thought was really cool about this is that it claims that it kills 99.99% of the bacteria within your brushes, which I thought was really cool. And also the second thing that I thought was really cool about it was that they're supposed to dry within like minutes when using this product. And I really like this. Ooh, I really like this because it came with like a good amount of product. This is the makeup cleanser, but then it also came with like this little tub thing that you can put your makeup, the cleanser in, and then kind of just like swirl around your brush in it, which I thought was really nice. Because like I guess you could put it on like a paper towel, but I feel like it would just be hard, and I don't like want to waste any product since it is expensive. This was $25. But yeah, I've heard a lot of people rave about this, and it had really good reviews on Sephora. The last little thing that I got is just a sample of the Dior perfume. I've been getting a lot of perfume samples lately because I've been wanting to try some new perfumes out, so it's kind of nice to just be able to get and choose and spray it on and see if I like it or not. So yeah, that is all that I got from Sephora. Now I'm going to go put on a face mask really quick, and then after that I'm going to take a shower and wash my hair. I love this face mask. I've gone through like 6 of them. I literally have 3 of them with me right now. This is the Purity Made Simple Pore Extractor, you guys. This is such a good exfoliator, but it also like draws out your impurities. So like any blackheads, it helps so much with acne. It is just like literally the greatest thing ever. I freaking love it. I usually do it once a week, and it has helped my skin so much, especially when I dealt with acne. This is one of the things that helped my skin so much. my shower, and now I've just been like baking cookies and chilling with my mom. But I am going to whiten my teeth. I guess this is kind of like more of a self-care vlog with the working out, face mask, shower, washing hair, hair product, and now whitening my teeth. But I wanted to share with you the white strips that I just bought. I've seen a lot of people rave about these crest white strips, so I'm going to do them. I'm pretty sure you do them every single day, and then it's supposed to last like a very long time. So yeah, I'm going to do that and then just wait an hour for them to do their thing and then go to bed. So yeah, I'm going to actually end off the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye!